जो फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैरबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
Hello everyone, we are parents of Shaurya Mena. We are very happy and proud that he has achieved solving Rubik's Cube, 3x3 Rubik's Cube, 53 Rubik's Cube in 15 minutes, which is a very good record, and it has been published in the International Book of Records. Thank you International Book of Records for publishing his record.
Yes, we are very proud of Shaurya, who is just 11 years old and got such an incredible talent of solving the Rubik's Cubes in just seconds. It all started 2 years back when Shaurya purchased the cube just out of curiosity. Then his father has taught him initially, and after that he eventually picked up with lot of efforts and hard work he has put into that. Now that he can solve in just 11 seconds, and he has achieved this incredible record of solving maximum Rubik's Cube solved in 15 minutes. So thank you so much International Book of Records for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
And Shaurya wants to teach his Rubik's Cube skills to other kids, so that other kids also achieve that skill set. He's just 11 years and we wish him great records ahead of. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Mena. I am from class 6. I am 11 years old and I have been practicing cubing for about 1.5 years. Today, March 21st, 2025, I am going to build a record on which I solve as many cubes as I can in 15 minutes. Here there are 61 cubes and my time limit is 50 minutes. Okay, let us begin.